If you're a carpet cleaning business owner running Google Ads but still not getting good enough leads, this will sound familiar. JM Carpet Cleaning in Rogers, Minnesota wanted more high-quality jobs online without wasting money on ads that didn't convert. Before working with book cleaning jobs, they were spending money on Google Ads but getting inconsistent leads at a high cost. They needed steady bookings, not guesswork. Jamie at JM Carpet Cleaning decided to join our growth plan. We launched a tightly targeted Google search campaign focused on people actively searching for carpet cleaning services in Rogers and Northwest Minneapolis. Then we optimized the ads every month using real performance data. In just 3 months, we drove 113 total leads. The cost per lead dropped from $72 to $32. Monthly leads more than doubled, and the conversion rate increased from 12% to 24%. Same budget, better targeting, better results. JM Carpet Cleaning went from paying too much for too few leads to booking steady, affordable, high-quality carpet cleaning jobs every week. Here's what he had to say about it. Since they took over, I've been getting steady, high-quality jobs every week at a much lower cost. My ad money is finally paying off. This is what we help carpet cleaning businesses do every day here at Book Cleaning Jobs. If you want your ads to turn into real revenue, we can help. Go to bookcleaningjobs.com and request time to speak with us.